Hello, so we are back, but this time we have a nice laptop to fix. It's a Lenovo ThinkPad i5 Gen, and the problem, USB-C port damage. And I did order the charging port, and all we have to do is to replace it. The laptop is dead, but I'm assuming because, it's not charging. And the laptop is open. Okay, the battery is disconnected. Good, this is a nice board. So how we are replacing the charging port? Very simple, very simple. We are not taking the board out. No, that's long. But wait, do we know if the port is damaged? Oh yeah, the port is damaged. So how we are doing it? That's a good question. What about some thermal pad behind of the board? I mean, if we are doing this like in a 5-minute job, the price is low for the customer. So let's use a little bit of flux, just a little bit. Perfect. Let's go under microscope. Yeah, and you can see the port is bent. Now hot air, max temperature. Let's take the port out. Very simple, very simple, very simple. Now a little bit of flux. I mean, we can lower the temperature. We can lower the temperature of the solder. Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. I mean, I can do it without lowering the temperature of the solder. First I'm heating the board to the melting point, then I'm coming straight away with the charging port. But yeah, let's lower the temperature of the solder. And this is to lower the melting point, so we can play more. So happy? Huh? It's okay? Everyone happy? Good, good. So we're done. So right now we can lower the temperature down to like 350. Let's try it 350. Let me grab the new port. Now let's check if the new port is the same with the old one, just to be sure. Looks like they are not the same, right? They are different. So check here. Here we have a metal thing on the back. This, I don't know, it's strange. Maybe it will work, I don't know. Let's try it, but we can have a surprise. Okay, heating the motherboard. Yeah, that thermal pad from behind, it will suck the heat. I know. But we should be fine. We should be fine. Come on, go inside. Go inside. Yeah, yeah. So check here. You see? You see? It is soldered or not? Just say it. Huh? Yeah, I know the pad is pushing the port up, but I will keep it pressed. Good. Now let's be sure the port is soldered properly. Yeah, I think we need some rosin. Rosin is more corrosive compared with, with the gel flux. Perfect. Rosin. Perfect. So it is this a perfect charging port replacement? Huh? Just say it. Just say the word. Don't be shy. Perfect. Now the question is working? Because if it's not working, I mean, you see how many pins are there? Good. Good. Let me grab the USB charger. So we have the USB. Let's plug the meter. Let's see. So we have power on the meter, and that's a good sign. 19 volts, 700. Why this is beeping? 700 milliamps. The fan starts spinning. Let's plug the battery. Let's plug the battery. Let's see if it's charging. And the BIOS battery, it's out. Check here. I mean, someone took out the battery and the BIOS battery. So one more time, plug in the USB meter. 600 milliamps. So the battery is not charging. 700. Now, how you are testing if the charging port is good? You move the meter up and down, and you can see it's solid. 600 milliamps, so the laptop is not charging. So just because you replace the charging port and the laptop is coming on, yeah, we have no picture for some reason. That doesn't mean actually the job is done. We still have 600 milliamps on the charging port. Now I don't understand what was that beeping when I plug the power. But let's wait. Does the BIOS get reset? Let's wait a little bit. And no, we don't have picture, and that's bad. You know what I mean? That's bad. We don't have picture. We have the charging light here. You can see the orange light, but it's not charging. Wait, I found it. Yeah, I found it. 1 second. So Lenovo has an app. ThinkPad code, I believe. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. So plug in this. Okay. So let's see one more time. Reset error. Huh? You know what? I charged the battery, and it's not beeping anymore. But check on the power button light. Huh? I get no picture on it. So what is doing something like that? Do you think the motherboard is faulty? I mean, this job comes like specific with a charging port replacement. what is doing something like that? 100 ohms here. I suppose is the RAM memory 1 ohm. Actually, it's not 1 ohm, it's 0.3 ohms. Okay, that's strange. This coil is strange. 4 ohms, that's the CPU, which is fine. 2.8 can be fine. 2.8. 14 ohms, weird. 0 ohms. I mean, this one is 0 ohms. 0.6, yeah? Now, if I touch this, it's still 0.6. So this motherboard is faulty. But it's strange because I'm getting paid for the charging port. That's what the job is. Okay, let's try to figure it out. So we know that coil is shorted, right? Good. For the content, you know, even if I don't make money, you know, for the content, just to see what is there. Why this coil has 0 ohms? Like absolutely 0, not 0.1, 0 ohms. Let me grab the power supply. Let's lower the voltage. Yeah, that's fine. A little bit of current. So this coil has here, yeah, rising the current. Yeah, 4 amps, that's fine. 0.7, and here is 0.6. Yeah, the shortage is on this side because has, you see the voltage is lower. So what is here? Don't tell me it's the CPU. Don't tell me that. So the driver is not faulty. And nothing is getting hot. That sucks. You know why? Because probably it's the chipset and it's shorted. But let's be sure. Let's be sure. The chipset doesn't have thermal paste. Doesn't need? Okay, that's strange. So we have ground. And we have here 4 amps. Check that. Check that. Check that. Check that. Huh? The CPU is shorted. Actually, this one has 0 ohms. I can't believe. I don't know. Nearly all my jobs are on this way, you know, like this kind of jobs. I can't believe actually I replaced the charging port on this laptop. But well, that was the job. You know what I mean? We are not speaking with a customer which sending the laptop. Okay, sorry, please find what's wrong with the laptop. No, we are speaking with a customer which sent the laptop, replace the charging port, which I did. Yeah, here is a shorted chipset, and there's nothing what we can do. Okay, that's the customer RAM memory. Yeah, I'm really sorry. I was hoping, you know, to be more exciting this video, but ends up to be pointless. Pointless. I mean, probably this was the perfect charging port I ever replaced. Like soldered properly from the first time. It's charging fine. If I plug the charger, check here. It's taking 2 amps, you know. I mean, everything looks fine. Let me plug the battery. Remember on the beginning, the battery was not taking power because it was very discharged. But check here. 19 volts, 1.9 amps. It's charging perfect. Huh? So what do you think? Pointless. Yeah, you're right. Okay, I will stop this video. I will say thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like the video. And have a beautiful weekend. Not sure about the Sunday live stream because I'm going to Southampton, yeah, to the sea. I'm going with the family. Okay? Bye.